What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate stunning images and captions for your social media posts by creating a simple automation on Make.com. Let's get started. On Airtable, I've created a table that I've renamed to prompts table. And on this table is where we're going to add our social media image prompts. I've written 5 different social media image prompts. On Make, I'm going to search for Airtable and click on Airtable. Here I'm going to use the watch records trigger module. Here you'll need to create a connection between your Airtable account and Make.com account by clicking on Add and then choosing the connection type as Airtable or Auth, and then you can rename your connection right here. Click on Save. A new window will be prompted where you'll choose the database that you'd like to grant access. After choosing the database and clicking on OK, your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection right here. Here I'll choose my database. I'm going to choose our social media post database. Our table is the prompts table. You can choose the trigger field right here as a created time. For the label field, I'm going to choose social media image prompts. You can limit it to 1 and then click on save. You can choose to start from now, since a specific date, all, or choose manually. Since I already have the prompts on my Airtable, I'm going to choose manually and choose one of the prompts of the image I would like to generate using AI, and then click on save. So with this module, we are getting the prompts right here. So if I run this module, you can see we're getting our image prompt right here. Now, with our prompt, here, we're going to add another module that generates an image for us from the prompt that we got from Airtable. To generate an image, I'm going to use Dumpling AI. It's an incredible tool that you can use to generate AI images using prompts. So I'm going to choose this module to generate our image. Here, you'll also need to create a connection between your Dumpling AI account and Make.com account. Now, to create a connection between your Dumpling AI account and Make, click on Add. And then here you rename your connection, and then from Dumpling AI, you'll get your API key and paste it over here. After you've created an account on Dumpling AI, here you'll generate your API key, and then you'll copy the API key and paste it right here and click on save, and your connection will be created. But since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close, choose my connection right here. Now, after choosing my connection, we're going to add our prompts from Airtable, which is these prompts right here. For the seed, we're going to leave it as empty. Number of outputs, we're going to choose 1. Number of interference, we're going to choose 28. Aspect ratio, we're going to choose 1:1. The output format, you can either choose WebP, JPG, or PNG. I'm going to choose JPG. For the output quality, I'm going to choose 80. And for the megapixel, I'm going to choose 1 megapixel. I'm going to choose 1 megapixel right here and click on OK. So with this module, we are generating social media posts. Right here. To generate our image, here, I'm going to choose one of our prompts. I'm going to choose this prompt right here, click on save, and then run automation to generate our image. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here, we generated an image from this prompt, and the link to the image is this link over here. So I'll copy it and open it in a new tab. So this is an incredible image that we just generated using our AI tool. Now we can proceed and post this image to a social media platform. So on automation, here I'll add another module, and then on HTTP, I'm going to click on get a file module. Here we'll need to add the URL of our image. So on images, I'm going to add our URL right here, then click on OK. Yeah, we're getting our image or our post. So I'll rename it to get post. And also generate a caption to post with our image. So here I'll add another module, and I'm going to use Gemini to generate a caption. So on Gemini, I'm going to click on create a completion. Here I'm going to choose the latest AI model, which is the 2.0. And here I'll add an item. For the role, I'm going to choose user. And here I'm going to add an item, and I'm going to choose text. Then here we can add our text. So we would like this module to generate captions for us from these prompts. So here the text says, write me a 2-sentence caption for a social media post from this prompt. And then here we'll add our prompt right here and click on save. So with this module, I'll rename this to generate caption. Then click on OK. With our image and caption, we can proceed and post it on a social media platform. In our case, I'm going to use Facebook as our example. Then click on Facebook page. Then here, I'm going to create a post with photo. Here I'm going to choose my connection, then choose my page right here. I'm going to choose my own personal page. Then here I'll click on add for the file. We're going to start our file from this get a file module. And here we're going to add our caption, which will be the result that we generate from Gemini. And then I'm going to click on OK. Sometimes you'll need to click on it twice so it accepts. So I'll click on it twice. To generate a social media post and generate a caption and post to Facebook, I'll choose one of our prompts. So I'll choose manually. Then I'll choose one of our captions right here, then click on save. To generate our social media post and caption and post the image and the caption to a Facebook page, I'll run automation. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here, we got our prompts from Airtable. Then we generated a social media post from the prompt right here. The post that we generated was an image. Here's the link to the image. And then we got the link to the image. And then we also generated a caption and posted the post with the caption to our Facebook page. On our Facebook page, you will see the image that we generated with its caption. So this is the incredible image that we generated using Dumpling AI. And then we wrote this beautiful caption using Gemini AI. And then we posted the image and the caption to our Facebook page right here. You can see that our image was published by Make. We can try another different prompt. So I'll choose manually and choose this prompt right here and click on save. And then I'll run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. We got a different prompt. We generated a different image from the prompt here. This is a link to the image. So we got the image right here. We generated a caption for the image, and then we posted the image and the caption to our Facebook page. So on our page, I'll refresh it. And here you can see a different image and caption that we posted to our page. This is the image and this is a beautiful caption that we generated. We can try a different prompt. So I'll choose where to start and choose a different prompt. We can try this prompt, click on save, and then run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. We got our prompt right here, different one. Then we generated an image from our prompt. This is the link to the image. We got the image. We generated a caption here and posted the image and the caption to our Facebook page. So on our page, I'll refresh it. And here you'll see a different image that we generated and posted on our page. You'll also see a different caption that we posted with the image using our automation over here. Now, we can choose a different prompt. You can use this prompt, click on save, and then run automation one last time. So automation ran successfully. We got our prompt right here. We generated our image from the prompt, which is this image over here. We got the image. We also generated captions from the prompt. And then we posted the caption and the post to our Facebook page. Now, here on our Facebook page, I'll refresh it. And here you can see the image and caption that we generated using automation and posted to our Facebook page. If you like to run automation in real time, here all you have to do is choose where to start and choose start from now and click on save. And then here you can schedule automation either by regular interval, once every day, days of the week, days of the month, specified dates or on demand. Click on save. And then now all you have to do is write a prompt over here and the automation will automatically generate a social media post for us and the captions and post the image and the caption to our Facebook page. Besides Facebook, you can also do the same with Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. So by creating this simple automation on Make.com, you'll automatically generate stunning images and captions and post those images and captions to your social media platform. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, comment down below in the comment section. And if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire system or automation from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.